Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Hello everyone, welcome to back to my video. My name is Demus Kinjab Kori from 10th grade. And this video I will show a presentation about a country, Japan. Japan, a country often called the land of the rising sun. This name comes from its land of the rising sun. This name comes from its location in the east, where the sun appears to rise. Japan is one of the most fascinating countries in the world because it successfully combines ancient tradition with modern technology. When we think about Japan, we might imagine samurai, anime, advanced robot, and delicious food like sushi. Okay. Japan geography and natural landscape. Japan is located in East Asia, close to countries like China, South Korea, and Russia. It is an island nation made up of more than 6,800 islands. However, most people live on the four main islands: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. Honshu is the largest island and is home to major cities like Tokyo and Osaka. Japan geography includes mountain, forest, and constantly, in fact, about 70% of Japan is mountainous, which means there's a limited land for cities and farming. One of the most famous natural landmarks is Mount Fuji, the highest mountain in Japan. It is not only a mountain but also a cultural symbol. Japan also experiences natural disasters such as earthquakes and tsunamis because it is located on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Okay, next, climate and season. Japan is well known for having four distinct seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each offering a unique atmosphere and cultural experience for both local and visitors. In spring, cherry blossom bloom across cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, creating breathing scenery and marking the time for Hanami, a traditional activity where people gather to enjoy the beauty of the flowers. As the season changes to summer, the weather becomes hot and humid, but it is also filled with vibrant festivals or matsuri, such as the famous Gion Matsuri, where people wear yukata, watch fireworks, and celebrate with traditional food and performances. In autumn, the landscape travels a leaf tone shade of red, orange, and yellow, especially around scanning areas like Mount Fuji, offering peaceful and picturesque views that attract many travelers. Finally, winter brings cold temperature and snowfall, particularly in regions like Hokkaido, which is famous for its snow festivals, skiing activities, and relaxing hot spring known as onsen. These four seasons not only shape Japan's natural environment but also deeply influence its culture, clothing, and daily life, making the country rich in seasonal experience throughout the year. Spring, marked by cherry blossom. Spring represents renewal and is celebrated throughout nationwide flower viewing traditional. And then there is summer, hot and humid summer are balanced by festival, fireworks, and lightweight cultural custom. Autumn, known for colorful leaf, autumn symbolizes maturity and calm, influencing art and seasonal cuisine. Winter, cold winter highlight resilience, comfort food, and communal activities such as hot spring. Next, history of review. From ancient roots to modern nation, Japan has a long and rich history that goes back thousands of years. In the past, Japan was ruled by emperors and military leaders called shoguns. During this time, samurai warriors played an important role in society. For over 200 years, Japan closed itself off from the outside world and period called isolation or Sakoku. This helped preserve its culture but limit foreign influence. In the 19th century, Japan opened its border and quickly modernized. However, during World War II, Japan faced destruction, especially in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. After the war, Japan rebuilt itself and experienced rapid economic growth. Today, it is one of the most developed countries in the world. Traditional culture, ritual art, and social values. Japanese culture is rich, unique, and deeply rooted in tradition. One example is the kimono, a traditional outfit worn during special occasions such as wedding and festival. Another important cultural activity is the tea ceremony, which is not just about drinking tea but also about respect, harmony, and mindfulness. Festival known as Matsuri are held throughout the year and often include traditional music, dancing, and food. Japanese society also follows politeness, discipline, and respect. For example, people bow when greeting others, and they are very careful about manners and public place. In tea ceremony, a ritual focus on praises, calmness, and respect between host and guest. Next is traditional clothing. Garments like kimono reflect seasonal aversion and cultural symbols. And the last is performing arts, theater, music, and dance profession historical storytelling methods. Wah, belum pilih. Teknologi. Japanese teknologi gimana? Oh iya, tes quality. Religion and belief. Religion in Japan is less about strict doctrine and more about practice, respect, and tradition. The first is Shinto practice, focus on the nature, purity, and local spirits that connect people to their environment. And then cultural rituals. Life events are often marked by spiritual ceremonies rather than formal belief system. And the last is Buddha influence, encourage reflection, impermanence, and mindfulness in daily life. Okay, Japanese society, community, respect, and order. Japanese society is known for its strong sense of order, respect, and social harmony. One of the most important values is which means harmony within a group. People are encouraged to think about others and avoid causing trouble or conflict. This is why politeness is very important in daily interaction, such as bowing when greeting someone or using respectful language. From a young age, children are taught to follow rules, be responsible, and respect others, which help create a peaceful and organized society. Another key aspect of Japanese society is discipline and responsibility. People are expected to be punctual, hardworking, and commit to their duties, whether at school or in the workplace. For example, students often clean their own classroom, which teach teamwork and accountability. In professional life, employees usually show strong dedication to their jobs and take pride in their work. This sense of responsibility contributes to Japan's reputation as highly efficient and reliable country. In addition, Japanese society values cleanliness and public awareness. People are very mindful of their behavior and public space, such as speaking quietly on trains, lining up properly, and keeping the environment clean. It is common to see clean streets, even though this reflect a shared responsibility for maintaining a pleasant environment. Overall, Japanese society is built on respect, discipline, and cooperation, which make it both unique and admirable. Architecture and design. The first is minimalist design, focus on clarity, openness, and purpose. Next is natural materials. Wood and stone connect building to nature. And last is urban efficiency. Space limits inspire creative design solution. Turn understanding into action. A nation of depth and balance. Extended version, Japan can be defined by a single aspect. Its strength lie in balance between tradition and progress, nature and technology, individuality and community. This balance is what makes Japan truly unique. While the country is known for its advanced technology, fast trend, and modern cities, it still deeply respects its history, culture, and tradition. Ancient temples stand peacefully beside tall skyscrapers, showing how the past and the future can exist together. In daily life, people in Japan also maintain this balance. They develop personal goals and achievement, but at the same time, they prioritize harmony, respect, and responsibility within their community. This creates a society that is both high-like, productive, and socially connected. Japan also teaches us important lesson that progress does not mean forgetting the past. Instead, true development comes from next generation while continuing to innovate and improve. For this reason, Japan is not just a country to visit, but also a country to learn from respectful. From its way of balancing different aspects of life can inspire us to become more disciplined, respectful, and open to change. Thank you. Okay, maybe that's all from me for my presentation. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.